A few weeks ago, a worried mother came to my clinic and said, Doctor, my child is always tired. He snores loudly at night, he keeps falling sick, and he always breathes through his mouth. She paused and added, But doctor, he doesn't look very sick. That one sentence tells me a lot. Many children with adenotonsillitis don't look seriously ill, but their body is quietly struggling. I'm Dr. Spurti Itige, ENT specialist at Sankalpa Multi-Speciality Hospital, and today let's understand a very common but often misunderstood condition in children, adenotonsillitis.